Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from your Barclays account to PayPal in 2025. With all the new tech advancements, this process has become faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're paying for online shopping, sending money to friends, or handling business transactions, this guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Barclays app installed on your phone or tablet. It's packed with 2025 updates for smoother banking. Open the app and log in securely using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. Security is key these days. Once you're logged in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Here, you'll see options for sending money to various accounts. Now, for PayPal, look for the Add Payee feature. In 2025, Barclays has integrated directly with PayPal, so you can easily search and link your recipient's PayPal account by entering their email or PayPal ID. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Double-check for any currency conversion if needed, as exchange rates can fluctuate. You'll also see any potential fees up front, always good to know. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. The app might prompt you for an extra verification step, like a one-time code sent to your phone or email, to keep things safe from scams. Finally, confirm the transfer, and you're all set. The money should land in the PayPal account almost instantly, thanks to the advanced real-time processing in 2025. Remember, always use this on a secure network and keep an eye on your transaction history. That's it for today's quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.